So check out these lush, delicious color blending Photoshop brushes that I created. So these are 4 brushes that I gave away for free for my newsletter friends on Friday. And they're from my Feather Couture Fantasies collection, which is inspired by feather, but they're still very artistic painterly brushes that you can use on so many different applications. So if you want to have these brushes, just put a comment down below and I'll send you a link to download them. And then make sure that you're signed up for my newsletter because I give away a lot of freebies and definitely take care of my newsletter friends. But I just love these brushes. I'm really obsessed. So, yeah, just let me know if you have any questions or comments and stay tuned for the next video. So, visit Creators Couture for all my game changing Photoshop brushes that have been featured on Adobe Creative Cloud, Behance, Patreon, and more. Make sure you sign up for my weekly newsletter because I totally take care of my newsletter friends with exclusive discounts and freebies. And I'm also a featured live streamer on Behance, so you can check out my website for this week's live streaming schedule. And just let me know in the comments if you have any questions of any kind, and I'm happy to help you.